Hello, friends. This is Dr. Milind Kulkarni, President, Rotary Club of Mumbai, Green City. My year as President 2020-21 is going to end. So I'm going to present highlights of this year 2020-21. So, friends, in the beginning, I would like to express my deep gratitude towards my team, my board of directors. Daksha Das as Secretary and Rotary Service Week, Jayant Gaitonde as Treasurer, Parvez Merchant as Club Service and Public Image, Amit Shah as Sergeant at Arms, Ajay Gupta as TRF, Meera Ramchandran as Youth Service and Bulletin Editor, Radha Sinha, Vocational and Community Service Medical, Alkesh Parajya, Membership and Community Service Non-Medical, Sham Tiwari, International. Then our PTG Lata Subraidu as club advisor and our charter president Abani Das as our club trainer. Apart from this, we received very good support from our district team, our AG Aslam Merchant, our AT Ramesh Hezevani, our DS Anuj Ajmera, and of course our district governor Sunil Mehra. So I'm immensely thankful for the support which I received from these people. Then my installation took place on July 3, 2020. President, friends, as you know, that period was Corona at a very high level. Now also it is there. And that time there was strict lockdown and installation was done in online mode. Fortunately, my father was with me at that time. He undergone surgery at Tata Hospital for cancer in 2019 November. Fortunately, he was okay, and right now also with the grace of the God, he is okay. And I took my inspiration from social service from him. He served as veterinary doctor for state government of Maharashtra, and after retirement, also he worked as vice president of Kolhapur District Pensioners Association. And with that inspiration, I uh, tried to make a small contribution as president of Rotary Club of Mumbai Green City. Then my wife was also there. So that was about the installation ceremony at July 3, 2020. Then our year started uh, in the beginning only with a very good social service project. As you know, many children are not lucky and they are suffering from learning disabilities and behavioral problems. So there is a school called as Child Reach, and we provided scholarships to the students, around 25 students, and rupees 4,000 each. So we paid rupees 1 lakh, so that the parents who were not able to afford the education of these special children, they get some relief. So it is the social service which dragged me towards the uh, Rotary. And Rotary, as you know, doing tremendous work in social service, be it polio eradication and so many other avenues. So another important project was smartphone project. So friends, because of Corona pandemic, now the education at schools is given in online mode. And India is a country where there is a lot of disparity. Some people are very rich, and some people even cannot afford their meals. So, in such a scenario, there are some schools where the students are not afford to have a mobile phone, which is necessary for online education. And you might have read reports that many students committed suicide also because of inferiority complex. So our members, particularly Meera Ramchandran and the team, they understood this problem, and we are having Interact School at Sunflower High School. So we created a library of smartphones, and I'm proud that our members contributed rupees 83,000 for this particular project. And with this smartphone library, we could provide online education. We gave this to the students, and we could give relief to some students from the Sunflower School, and they could have their online education. Then another project I am very proud of is Annapurna. So as you know, as I told you earlier, there is a lot of disparity. Some people are very poor; they cannot afford their meals also, and the Corona pandemic has made the situation worse. So district launched a project Annapurna, and our members, again I am proud of my members who contributed rupees 45,000, and we supported 3,000 meals under Annapurna. Then another project which we took and which was highly successful was teachers training program. Our DG Sunil Mehra came personally online to inaugurate this particular program. You know, teachers teach students, but many times it is necessary to strengthen their teaching skills also. And recognizing this, our team, our director, uh, education director, youth services, Meera Ramchandran, and team, they launched a project, Master Dialogue, under which 4 Saturdays from July to August, more than 500 teachers in Mumbai, they were trained on various aspects of teaching. For example, Harpreet Randhawa, she told about how to gauge the mind of your students. Urmila Prabhu, she trained the teachers regarding how you can use storytelling so that the subject is made interesting. Meera, our own Meera Ramchandran, she taught about how about the nuances and grammar, and our Radha Sinha, she also talked about how to make theory classes interesting. So this was again a very good program of which I and my club is proud of. Then COVID relief. This is again a very big project and highly successful project. As you know, March 2020, it was the time when the COVID started spreading, and April, May, there were daily wages. That time the lockdown was very strict, and they were out of job, and many people were not having meals also. And Rotary District took initiative, and our club uh, generated a contribution of rupees 4,88,000, and we supplied around 600 families with groceries. So one grocery kit will take care of the needs of the family of five for around 15 to 30 days. And then our many members, Nazanin Sakarwala, who was there at that time, she distributed this grocery in the slums of Anand Nagar. I distributed in the slums of Suresh Nagar. Then our Ajay Gupta, who himself was he's suffering from health issues, but he came out during the COVID time and distributed in Juhu Gali slums. So like that, many people got relief. And this my work is appreciated by my own people in Andheri area, and they, gave me this certificate as COVID Yodha Sanman Patra, and which gives you immense satisfaction if the people where you are staying, they appreciate your work. No money can replace this particular satisfaction. So I'm immensely satisfied about this appreciation which we got from the people of Andheri West. Then another important social service project we did was Global Grant Project, and we did this in Ashram Shala, Kaman. So you can see this Ashram Shala at Kaman, it is providing free education to the tribal and poor students in Palghar district. Now the government of Maharashtra provides only grant for salaries of the teachers and staff. So as far as infrastructure is considered, this school faces problems. So this school is having 700 students, which includes boys as well as girls, and only 20 toilets are there. 10 toilets for boys and 10 toilets for girls. As per norms, we should have one toilet per 10 students. So as per this norm, this school should have 70 toilets. 70 toilets होने चाहिए. तो अभी खाली 20 toilets है. Only 20 toilets are there at present, 10 for boys and 10 for girls. So we decided to make positive intervention, and these toilets are in dilapidated condition. So we decided to construct 20 toilets additional, 10, 11 for girls and 10 toilets for boys with some urinals under this global grant project. So this global grant project was possible because of the donation of our past member, Mrs. Shamim Batiwala. So we are immensely grateful to her for this donation. And this project, this global grant project, and in our international partner club is also there, Rotary Club of Tomako in US, and Rotary International team, Laura Bradley and team, they're constantly supporting us on this project. So with this team, we can do a lot of work. And then first part of this project was done in Thane district, where there is a tribal village called as Adkhadak. So there is no water supply scheme in this village. So we provided a water supply scheme to this village and sanitation arrangement as the first part of this project. And the second part, which we are doing, is doing at Ashram Shala Kaman. Initially, it was supposed to be done at another village called Bejpada. But since this village is, this particular Ashram Shala is comparatively closer to us, and we found that logistically it is very easy. And our own Rotary members, they can go there and see the project for themselves. And then Alok Dayal, who is our prime contact, me and Abani Das, there are other contacts. We all worked very hard and got the approval from RI to change the location from Bejpada to Kama. So friends, after getting the approval, we made a visit to in October 2020. Myself, Rotarian Kale sir, our charter president Abani Das, our honorary member Yogen Parekh, we all made there and did some preliminary assessment, site survey. And then, friends, the Bhumi Pujan of this project was done on March 24, 2021. That time, the trustee of late Anna Sahib Jadhav Trust, Mr. Patil was present. And then Mr. Jadhav, who is Padma Shri, he has developed many such schools all over Thane and Palghar districts. So this Bhumi Pujan Sohla was conducted on 24th March 2021, and within 3 months this project is now almost complete, more than 95% complete. And now the students will get benefit of this good water, good sanitation arrangement, and I feel they will be very happy to take education there. So around 16 lakhs rupees will be spent on the second part of this global grant project, and almost equal amount was spent on the first part of this project. So together we have spent around 30 lakhs on this water and sanitation project. So this is my subject of interest, and I'm immensely satisfied that we could actually do some work for the society in this particular area. Then friends, fellowship is another important component of Rotary life. And that in Diwali, the restrictions were a little bit relaxed, and we could have our first offline meeting in the form of Diwali fellowship at Govinda, where there is Hare Ram Hare Krishna temple in Juhu. So you can see all our Rotarians and families, they are enjoying their meal and as well as fellowship. And as this was the first meeting after Corona, everybody, you can see they are very happy. Then friends, even within Corona pandemic, you can see that we also have some critical offline meetings also. And one offline project which we did as we have visited the common ashram shala, we have done fellowship at Govinda, and this is again we met physically for our Annapurna project. So this is second Annapurna project of district 3141, and it was done under project 3H. So here we actually distributed 3,000 food packets in one single day on 26th January 2021. So as you know, we are working closely with our local representatives. In this case, uh, our MLA, Dr. Bhartitai Lavekar, and with her support, we could identify these slum pockets within our Andheri West area. So Lily Faith Center or Sham Nagar, then Anna Nagar and Kasam Nagar. There also you can see the children. We distributed these food packets there, and then at Jivan Nagar, you can see our corporator, local corporator Ranjana Tai Patil is there. So we distributed 3,000 food packets under Annapurna. Friends, we have to award the social workers who are working constantly for the improvement of society, for strengthening the weaker sections, to give some relief to the people from weaker sections, and for whom there is no wali. So you can say we from our club we recommended Dr. Prakash Gidwani and Mr. Subhajit Mukherjee for vocational awards. And this function of district was held online on February 5, 2021. So both of them are here. Prakash Kidwani works for, there are dead bodies which are unclaimed, and then what to do with this body. So he supports police. He corrects the documentation, identifies their relatives, and does the last rites. Great work. And apart from this, he's involved in many other social activities also. And Subhajit Mukherjee, he is involved in rainwater harvesting and tree plantation. Again, very good areas related to environment and need of the day. And he is also ambassador for Maji Vasundhara program of the state government of Maharashtra. So both of them are here today. I am thankful to them for coming here. Then again, one more offline or physical meeting, our OCV, which took place on 19th February 2021. So we were fortunate to have our physical OCV, because after that again the lockdown restrictions started. So we all enjoyed our meeting with our district governor Sunil Mehra. So first there is closed door meeting, then there is meeting with all the members, and here I am presenting my presentation. Then bulletin, our bulletin editor Meera Ramchandran, we are very lucky to have her, and the quality of our bulletins is very excellent. And she took all the efforts to do the publishing herself, online publishing. So thanks Meeraji again. And our district governor gave an excellent speech. He told us about the various methods by which we can raise the funds, we can increase the membership, we can contribute more and give us gain in TRF. And he made a lineup of our successive presidents. And he told, he put up a line of our five presidents. You can see 5 presidents are future presidents after me. So it helps in proper planning and the strategic planning of the club. So thank you, DG, for that. So here you can see our AG Aslam Bhai merchant and other people are enjoying. Sadashiva is also there. And another project is distribution of cloth bags. As you know, the bad effects of plastic. So we are trying to discourage people from using single-use plastic bags. So we have purchased these cloth bags, and we are distributing to many housing societies. Here also we distributed them. Then speaker meetings is again one of the important component of Rotary. And this year we could arrange excellent speaker meetings. As the meetings were online, most of the cases, we could get speakers from all over India, and also in some cases out of India also. So Madhav Mohanji gave first speaker meeting on the topic of leadership. Dr. Vikram Pattarkane, he spoke from US on a very important topic of diet. So transformation, how your personality can be transformed through diet purification. Our Mahatma Gandhi ji was also very particular about diet and which we should give proper importance. Dr. Manish Motwani talked about the Give Us Gain project of the district. Then we organized one program jointly with the Rotaract, district Rotaract team. And on public speaking, Mr. Noel Kemar gave a very good speech to our Interact school students. And you can see our district Rotaract team. Again, Meera Ramchandran was very instrumental in organizing this program. Then speaker meeting for you, Chanakya, all of you know how he's passionate about nation development, and the role of Arya Chanakya is well known for India. So Dr. Radhakrishna Pillai from Bombay University, he talked about that, Chanakya and modern society. Then we organized one community speaker meeting at Ekta Garden, where we spoke on segregation of solid waste. And BMC officials, Mr. Prakash, Mr. Survey was also there at that time. He also guided us. So we are working closely with BMC also regarding solid waste management. Then speaker meeting 7 was, students, they are facing dilemma after 10th standard, what career they should take, what are the opportunities available. So our faculties from SNDT, they give lectures to our our Interact schools of Fairyland School and Sunflower School and guided them about the various avenues of skills development available after standard 10. Then animals are also very important, and Ambarish Pandya spoke on humanity and stray animals on November 6. Savita Rao spoke on India Positive Citizen. Then Deepak Shikarpur, who is my friend from Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli, and who was also past district governor of Pune district, he spoke on eminent persons he met. So he met people like Ratan Tata, APJ Abdul Kalam, and so many other eminent persons. And he gave the experience and what he got from the interactions with them. Again, a very good speaker meeting. And then Rotary District Debating Competitions. So there were wonderful topics and wonderful fellowship with other Rotary clubs in the district. So we have debating competitions with Rotary Club of Mumbai Elegant, Western Elite, and Bombay North. And our 6 members participated: Alok, Ajay Gupta, then Parvez Merchant, Amit Shah, Meera Ramchandran, and we all enjoyed. So there I was in the dress of a farmer. So we spoke for farmers in one of the debating competitions. And incidentally, I got award for the best costume for this event. Then Swachh Mumbai Seminar Series is flagship event of Rotary Club of Mumbai Green City. And this time we organized it in online fashion. And on 3 different Saturdays, three speakers gave speeches. And this event was a district event. Saif Qureshi, our Director Environment of District, he inaugurated this event. And then 17 other Rotary clubs co-hosted this event. And Rotary Club of Mumbai Green City was the lead club. So the first of the series lecture was given by Subhajit Mukherjee on rainwater harvesting and tree plantation. Second was given by Yogen Parekh on wastewater treatment in residential complexes. And third was given by me on solid waste management in residential complexes. So there were other speaker meetings also, like Bharati Naik spoke on choice of a leader, react or respond. Amit Shah spoke on how to earn in falling interest era. Nayan Dedia speak on healing power. Our DG Sunil Mehra ji spoke about how to generate funds for social projects during OCV. Vikas Jain spoke on be a world-class citizen. Subhajit Mukherjee spoke on rainwater harvesting. About this such Mumbai seminar series, I already talked. Then Dr. Varsha Narayanan spoke on COVID care. And Abani Das on the occasion of Charter Night, he's a chartered president. He spoke on membership drive. So like that, we had excellent speaker meetings. And friends, thank you very much. Thank you for my other Rotary clubs who co-hosted this various speaker meetings. So thank you very much.